Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can download FIFA 23. First, go to Google and search for Fit Girl. Go to first site. Click here and type FIFA. Click here. Click here. Click this button. Open file. You will be redirected to this green program. You probably know what this is, but I can't tell you because of the YouTube policies. As you can see, I already installed, so I am going to click no. When the downloading finishes, double-click on it to open it. Run the setup file, follow the steps, and you are done. I will show you that it works. Here says that this game is legally purchased. Click yes. Click Run Game. Now enjoy your 100% original paid game. Don't forget to subscribe if this was helpful.